how to cancel an order on StockX. So here's how we can do it, a step-by-step guide. It's typically not allowed, however, there are specific scenarios and steps you can take depending on your situation. So if the seller hasn't confirmed the sale, you want to contact StockX support immediately. So you want to go to the StockX Help Center, use the chat or email option to explain your situation and request cancellation. While it's not guaranteed, StockX might assist you if the seller has not yet shipped the item. In the second scenario here, for delayed or failed shipments, if the seller fails to ship the item within the specific time frame, StockX may cancel the order automatically and issue a refund. If you made a mistake, again, you want to contact StockX support promptly for accidental purchases, wrong size, incorrect bid. You want to reach out to support immediately, and early intervention may increase your chances of resolving the issue. Here are some key notes on StockX cancellation policies. All sales are final. StockX policy clearly states that bids, offers, and sales are binding. Restocking fees. In rare cases where cancellations are allowed, StockX may charge a restocking fee. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.